Are you truly prepared for life's uncertainties? Are you planning to take up a life insurance for a more financially secure future? Do you think Max Life Assured Wealth Plan will help you with that? Let us find out in this detailed review. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals faster and smarter. So, what is Max Life Assured Wealth Plan? It is a non linked, non participating individual life insurance savings plan. It also assures you with guaranteed returns to build your wealth. Now, let's look at some of the features of the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan. It offers you 6 different variants of premium payment terms and policy terms, along with providing you with complete financial security in case of death of the life insured. It also offers you a fully guaranteed lump sum maturity benefit. The tax benefits also applies to the premiums paid under Max Life Assured Wealth Plan and benefits received by you as per the prevailing tax laws. Now let us look at the benefits available under the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan. First, we are going to look at the death benefit. So, in case the life insured passes away unfortunately before the policy terms ends, then a lump sum death benefit is immediately payable to the nominee. So, the nominee can get any of the 4 options now I am going to mention, depending on whichever option is higher on the time of death of the life insured. The options are 10 times the sum of annualized premium and underwriting extra premium if any, or 1.5% of the sum total of total premium paid as of the date of death of the life insured, or the guaranteed sum assured on maturity, or any absolute amount assured to be paid on death. So, whichever option is higher on the time of death of the life insured, that option will be payable as a lump sum death benefit to the nominee. Secondly, we have the maturity benefit. The maturity benefit is equal to the guaranteed sum assured on maturity. So, the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan policy gets terminated after the payment of the maturity benefit. Now, as we have looked at the features and benefits available under this plan, now let us find out what are the advantages of investing in the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan. So, this plan offers you additional riders that can be taken with the policy to provide additional protection as per your need. Policy loans are also available under this product, subject to a maximum of 80% of the special surrender value. Now, as we have looked at the advantages, it's also equally important to know about the disadvantages as well. So, the disadvantage here is the lock-in period of investment is high. That is, you receive the benefits only at maturity. As we have looked at the benefits, features, and the advantages and disadvantages of this plan and covered all the basics regarding this plan, now we can move on to the IRR analysis of the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan to understand what we can gain by investing in this insurance policy for a long term. So, for example and calculation purposes, we are going to assume a male of 35-year-old is going to invest in this policy for a sum assured of 10 lakhs with a policy term for 20 years. So, for 20 years, he is going to pay the premium for 10 years, and the premium amount is 1 lakh annually. So, if you pass the screen, you can see the tabular column where the calculation is done according to the figures mentioned in the policy brochure. And we can see on payment of regular premium, the maturity benefit of 22.51 lakhs is receivable after 20 years. The IRR for this cash flow is 5.3% based on the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan calculator. But is it a sustainable internal rate of return? Or is this returns inflation adjusted or even beating the market returns potentially? No, because despite being a long term investment plan, the returns from Max Life Assured Wealth Plan fails to keep pace within the inflation rates. Even compared to a bank fixed deposit, the returns are subpar. Additionally, bank FDs even offer liquidity benefits compared to this plan. So the IRR analysis based on the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan calculator clearly indicates that investing in this policy may not facilitate wealth accumulation effectively. So let us see if Max Life Assured Wealth Plan can be compared to other investment options available in the market and see if the same premium can be channelized effectively here. So just for comparison purposes, we are going to opt for a pure term life insurance policy for life cover purposes. This will enable you to save premium Also, the saved premium can be invested for wealth accumulation purposes. So, for example, let us assume that we are going to get the same sum assured of 10 lakhs as per the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan for an annualized premium of 8,700, and the premium payment term here is also 10 years with a policy term of 20 years. So, the total investment for 10 years would be 91,300 compared to Max Life Assured Wealth Plan where the total investment would have been 10 lakhs. So now we are going to compare Max Life Assured Wealth Plan returns with a low risk option like PPF, which is Public Provident Fund, and invest the total investment amount of 1 lakh every year in a combination of pure term insurance plus PPF. But as a minimum contribution of 500 rupees is required for 15 years and we have only taken premium paying term for 10 years into account, adjustments are made in the 10th year contribution to ensure a minimum contribution of 500 rupees is maintained for the next 5 years. And if we keep investing like that, the final maturity value in the PPF account amounts to 29.94 lakhs, and the internal rate of return we get here for a combination of pure term insurance plus PPF combination is 6.5%, which is higher than the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan's internal rate of return with the same amount of premium and the same amount of policy term and with the same amount of premium paying term. More or less, we can get higher returns compared to Max Life Assured Wealth Plan. And this is also a low risk option with a guaranteed return, and tax benefits are also applied here under section 80C. So if you are someone who wants to take low risk with a guaranteed return, then you can invest in a combination of PPF and pure term insurance policy instead of the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan according to the calculations done here. Another option we are going to consider here is ELSS mutual funds, which is a higher risk option compared to PPF. Also, here also we are going to invest in the same manner, which is the same combination of pure term insurance plus ELSS for the total investment amount of 1 lakh for the next 10 years. So, if you're someone who's willing to stay invested for 10 years and for such a long time, and also if you're willing to take a higher risk, you can opt for investing in ELSS mutual funds, because if you're willing to stay invested for a long time in a riskier fund, especially in a fund like ELSS mutual fund where there is a proven track record, then the higher risk will potentially help you gain higher returns also, because the market cycle will take at least 7 or more years to get completed and to be stable. So you will get potentially more returns than your principal amount of investment. So from the calculation we have done, and you can see in the table, the final maturity value stands at 55.73 lakhs pre-tax. However, it's important to note that capital gains tax is applicable upon redeeming units. So after the post-tax value, it comes to 51.17 lakhs, and the IRR here is 10.80%. It's a huge difference compared to Max Life Assured Wealth Plan, where the maturity benefit is just 22.51 lakhs with the IRR return of 5.3%, where if you compare it with the ELSS mutual fund, you can get, even after the post tax value, it comes to 51.17 lakhs and an IRR return of 10.80%, which is definitely an inflation beating return. So after comparing, we can now understand there are better investment options available in the market compared to the Max Life Assured Wealth Plan policy. So the final verdict on Max Life Assured Wealth Plan. It definitely offers you life protection and assured returns, but are those returns really worth it in the long run? As you can see, the locked in savings until the end of the policy term might not be the most compelling option out there. Also, high agent commissions and potential shortfalls also add to the concerns. Instead, wouldn't it be wiser to explore investment avenues that outpace inflation? The sum assured is inadequate compared to the long term investment we are doing here. The potential return we get here is very low. So, investing in Max Life Assured Wealth Plan may not help us accumulate wealth sufficiently as you're assumed to be here. So, as we can see, you can definitely opt for a pure term life insurance which stands out for its affordability and extensive coverage. And let's not forget the importance of diversification in wealth accumulation. We can either invest in PPF or in ELSS mutual funds according to our risk profile or investment objectives, and keeping insurance and investment separate will help you in the long run to accumulate wealth and also to provide a financially secure future for you and your family. And this investment choice also beats inflation, so it will be helpful for you in the long run. However, if you're having any doubts regarding investment or financial decisions, you can definitely consult with a financial professional to help you with taking these decisions, as because as a professional they will evaluate your risk profile, your investment objectives, and see if it aligns with your financial goals and will help you achieve your financial goals faster or in a very smart way. So involving a financial professional in this process will make the entire thing seem very smooth and easier for you. If you want to read a more detailed review of Max Life Assured Wealth Plan, then there's a blog post on our website for which we have given the link in the description. Also, if you are someone who wants professional guidance from a professional financial planner for your investment and financial decision, then you can opt for a complimentary consultation with one of our financial planners, for which we all have also given the link in the description. If you want to gain more investment and financial knowledge from leading experts, then we regularly conduct live free webinars, for which also you can register through the link in our description. If you're new to our channel, please hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, we will be back with more financially beneficial videos for you. So, thank you for watching.